Hi, welcome to Soul of Art and Craft. I'm Sri, your artist. Today I'm gonna talk about how to make right paint consistency for mandala art. Before starting that, I'm gonna mention some acrylic paint which are actually ready to use paint and have the right consistency for dot mandala. First is camel acrylic paint which comes in a jar, then fevicryl acrylic paint, granitone acrylic paint, little birdie pouring paint, their multi-surface paint and their chalk paints are also have the proper consistency for dot mandala art. Now let's talk about the tube paints. I have taken here Winsor Newton pale umber acrylic paint and pouring in a decreasing manner. Then I will use white acrylic paint which is from fevicryl brand and a pouring medium. I prefer using fevicryl acrylic paint because it has very thin consistency, especially the white one, and sometimes it feels like there is no need for any medium. Now I am pouring the white acrylic paint in a decreasing manner. Then I am using backside of a paint brush and mixing it slowly. One thing you need to keep on your mind that the more slow you stir, the lesser bubbles will appear. Now I'm gonna put the video on time lapse. The consistency should not be very thick or very thin. Through the practice, you will understand on your own. And for the bubbles, I do like this. It's been 24 hours and just see there is no bubbles at all and the paint became like a ready to use acrylic paint for dot mandala art. Let me show you. That's all for today. If you like my video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.